Well, I think this stops everything for the moment. Just got finished cutting a job here and heard some thunking noises and started checking everything and got to this one. The y-axis has got movement. That is not good. So I'll crawl underneath here and I'll show you what I found. Now, welcome to the underside of the Axiom Pro 8. Now this whole assembly moves. And you can feel it moving in and out of that. I'll check this. And there's a nut on the back of that. I don't know if you can see it. And that's tight. So I'll spin around here and take a look at that. And it is sliding in and out of that coupling. I know that coupling doesn't control end play, so that's not it, but oh, what's this? There's a little nut right here. Happens to be loose. Happens if I tighten that up. Oop. Is that righty tighty, lefty loosey? Yeah, I'm supposed to know that. Alright, now that's just finger tight. Wow. Huh. No more movement. Alright. Grab a wrench and I'm going to tighten that nut and give it a run and see if that works. Good thing I watched that video. I'll throw this part in here somewhere, but oh, sorry about the shaking. I did not know there were set screws here, and yeah, it was loose, and I believe there are two of them. Maybe not. Yeah, that was the second one. That one was loose too. I wonder if it came that way from the factory. Can't believe they do that. Everything else about this machine is perfect. Excellent workmanship quality. Yeah. There we go. All right. I don't know how that came out. Let's see. Well, no more thunking. I think that fixed the problem. Well, I'm gonna call that one good.